Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to change the title of command prompt. When you open command prompt you must have seen that the title bar reads command prompt or administrator command prompt if you launch it with administrator privileges. While that is okay, but if you launch many CMD windows and they are working on different tasks, this may disturb you a lot. Fortunately you can change that, and here is how. Firstly, launch the command prompt. All you have to do is to type in title followed by the title you want command prompt to have. Press enter. As you can see, the title bar no longer says command prompt but says the title you have just given it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.